Hail and well met, fellow dreamers. This is Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Today is Sunday, and we try to get Chichai out of the house on Sunday. And today, we are at Liquid Dive Resort. This is down in Barangay Bulak, down here in Dauin. We are here for the day. Day price entry, if you just want to come down for the day, is 250 pesos each for adults. Babies and children are free, and the 250 pesos is fully consumable, which means if you order food from the restaurant, that 250 pesos gets deducted. This is what happens when you become a father. There's all kinds of additional duties and responsibilities placed upon your shoulders. Zoe, how'd you like the water?
Hi, Zoe.
Zoe just had her chubby legs in the water, kicking like a walrus.
Hi, Zoe. She wants to grab the camera again. What a cat. I want the camera.
All right,
okay,
Zoe.
huh?
I think your unicorn's ready for deployment. Now we have to change her into her waterproof diaper. We got to try to go swimming when nobody else is in the water, because even though she has a waterproof diaper, people are still like, ew. A baby with an uncontrollable sphincter in the water? I'm not sure about that. But yeah, this is a unicorn. Just like my wife's a unicorn. This is why we got this kind.
It's Chinese.
It's the finest Chinese product you can buy. Actually, if you look on the back, right here, it says doo-doo fish. And if you're in America, I don't know about the rest of the world, but doo-doo is slang for poop. So this is a poop fish, unicorn, floater. And Zoe's staring right at it.
I'm ready.
Bouncing up and down.
Kicking.
She is ready to go. You ready, Zoe? You ready to go?
I am ready.
You ready? Blur out the
She's so
gratuitous
happy.
nakedness here.
I'm a happy
I didn't know
baby.
that Zoe had a new bathing suit. So she's got her waterproof diaper on. She's looking like she's really excited about this whole process. She's just trying to grab a camera, as always. And she got a new suit. It's a onesie, because I will not allow her to have two-piece bathing suits until she turns 21. So they actually had a two-piece for her Moana outfit. And I was like, I put my foot down. And I said, no. I will not have my daughter so displayed with that sexy, chubby body. Yeah. Are you ready, Zos?
I am ready.
I am ready. All right, let's get this operation underway. Unicorn ready for deployment. What is she grabbing? That's her insulation. We were actually going to go up to Forest Camp, which is up in Valencia, and the water's really cold up there. And Chicha was concerned about Zoe going into the water, and I was like, honey, she's a walrus. She's got enough body fat on her to protect her down to like negative 20 degrees Celsius. I'm not fat. I'm voluptuous. Timestamp, April 18th, 2021. Location, Liquid Dive Resort. Barangay Bulak. Dauin City, and Zoe is in her unicorn, slowly getting accustomed to being in the water. She's used to her tub. We got her this little pink tub for when she takes her baths, so she's slowly getting used to the water. The water here is only about 3 feet deep, if that. So it's Filipino friendly. And Zoe likes to tap the water.
She's also kicking.
And she's also kicking. You can't see that underwater. All these great advances. She knows how to clap now. She knows how to do close open, but she's not gonna do it. Close open.
Close open. Close open.
Close open.
She's not looking, but
She's not looking, but her heart's in it. Her heart's in it.
No.
7 months old now. We just did a pictorial, and she was dressed up as a watermelon.
No, it's a squash.
A squash. She was a squash, which considering her size is quite appropriate. Oh, she's just splashed and got water in her face. Now, I know people say, and I've seen the videos on YouTube, where you can actually drop a baby in the water and they automatically open their eyes and they close their mouth and they stop breathing and they start kicking and swimming, right?
Yeah, like she's now starting to kick.
So I saw a bunch of those videos, but I'd be willing to test it on somebody else's baby, but not my own. Not my own child. No, no. Baby's there. She's swimming. Up. Just swallow some water. Zoe's kicking. She's doing the baby stroke. Yay, Zoe. Now she's doing the backstroke. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. A friend of mine, Yari, he's Finnish. His two kids, he's got 2 daughters, and he enrolled them in swimming classes when they were very young. And he started them on the swim team here, the Blue Dolphins of Getaway, when they were just kids. Yeah, she's digging it. And yeah, so that's been their whole thing. So I'm hoping to get Zoe into that, get her into competitive swimming, because that's what I did. I started competitive swimming when I was like 6 or 7 years old. I was in the 8 and unders when I first started. And it's a lot of fun, because you make a lot of friends, learn an important skill, especially here in the Philippines, living in an archipelago surrounded by water. And my wife and Janice are both excellent swimmers. Not. Over short distances they are, like 3 meters.
We were 26, I am 26 years ago.
26 years ago?
When I was a sperm.
Oh, when you were a sperm? That's when your swimming was at its highest level of competency.
And I won.
And you won, yeah, that's right. I won too. I won my first swimming event. That was a long time ago. That was 53 years ago. Oh man, how the years have passed. 8 years in the Philippines now.
And
8.
also, your mom
Yep.
told me that they enrolled you to swimming lesson when you were 1 year old.
Yep, I'm enrolled in swimming lessons, and I can actually remember I used to go to, because we were living in Nashua, New Hampshire at the time, I used to go to the YMCA for my advanced swimming lessons. And they had things like, you start off like a tadpole, then you advance to like a shark. That was like the highest level. Zoe's a tadpole. Zoe is a tadpole. Okay, so we just ordered up our lunch, and since this is a resort, it's about 100 pesos more than what you'd pay like at a restaurant somewhere else. We got the Thai-style chicken that me and Janice are going to share. Chichai got the sinigang baboy, which is a traditional Philippine sour soup with pork belly, tamarind, blah, 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 blah. And we also got an order of Vietnamese spring rolls. And it'll be interesting to see how those come out. All right, so Chichai has received her meal first, because that's the way it works in the Philippines. They don't bring it all at once. Some lucky person gets to eat first. So that's her sinigang baboy and some rice. And actually, it's pretty good.
It smells good too.
And these are the Vietnamese spring rolls with peanut sauce. Haven't tried them yet. There's only 2, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna eat one myself. Oh, I just noticed they got blueberry and strawberry cheesecake, homemade, for 215 pesos. It's about $4. And Zoe is out. All that swimming took the energy right out of her. And as my favorite daughter still slumbers, my meal has arrived, which is the Thai-style chicken, which is presented in a coconut shell. Very cute. The only person not eating, is Janice. Sorry. All right, when you deconstruct the Thai-style chicken, there's still a lot in there. And I just tasted it. It's pretty good. How's your sinigang baboy?
Sinigangi.
Sinigang, that's what we always say. How's your tuna fish sandwich? Very tuna-y. All right, so we're gonna dig in. We might have to get a dessert or more food. Too bad we can't get some Novas.
Novas?
Yeah. Potato chips. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, fellow dreamers, you're in for a real treat. This is the first time Chichai has ever played billiards,
So don't laugh at
and
me.
she is going to break. We got everything set up.
Like this?
Hold on, let me get the right angle. Okay. Well, you can do it like that, or you can do it like I showed you. Yeah, you just want to hit the yellow ball.
The yellow? How about if I hit the other ball?
Oh, I'll forgive you. It'll be okay. But just hit that white ball as hard as you can against the yellow ball. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey! That wasn't bad at all.
Did I hit the yellow ball?
Yeah, you hit the yellow ball, yeah, because it's way over there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spare everybody the rest of this game, because this is probably going to... I'm not good at billiards either. So this is going to be the longest billiards game in Philippine history. This is Ned.
Chichai. Janice.
And baby Zoe, and we thoroughly enjoyed our time here at Liquid. Thank you to the proprietors. The staff was very good. The food was good. On a scale of 0 to 10, I would rate it about an 8. You agree? Yeah, 8. And the brownie a la mode was particularly good. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and glorious, happy Sunday afternoons to all. We'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.